Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to restore default settings in this game. So to begin, you have to either return to the main menu from the game after you save it, or just go to options, then select the page on which you want to restore default settings, and on this page press R button once and click OK. You can do this on any settings page in the same way, just by entering it, pressing R and clicking OK. And that's how you restore defaults in this game. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.